Great, thank you so much. All right, everyone, I am Kelly Lynam, and I'm coming to you from our Technology Acceleration Group, which is a collaboration between university and medicine, and I am an IT operating unit director on our enterprise team. I am responsible for a number of enterprise development efforts. I've also inflicted my JH upon you, so you're welcome. But we're most excited about our Hopkins AI Lab and our ability to bring that to our community. Our goal with Hopkins AI Lab, soon to be rebranded HopGPT, because who would have guessed that the acronym HAL might have been problematic, but somehow that got out thanks to probably Lauren Heller. I can thank him for that. But the marketing people have made us change the name of our app, so it's now HopGPT. So some of the things that I think are really interesting in the GenAI space here at Hopkins expand beyond HopGPT. So you have access to that for free. You have a Jet ID, you can log in, you can access it. And really our goal with that platform was to democratize generative AI for the entirety of this organization to support that tripartite mission. Other services are available in this space, and I've heard a couple of folks touching upon AI resources, starting with the IRB and Megan Singleton doing that AI consult. Great place to start if you are using AI in the context of research. But we have a number of intake processes for this. And one of the things that's really cool about HopGPT is that it's great at administrative functions. But once you start using some of that more robust analysis or large data sets that you're bringing to the Hopkins AI Lab, currently you'll find that it's rather limited in what it can do. So we are working to support more research-intensive statistical kinds of analyses, those that might require the large language model to run and to write and run its own code in line to support your efforts. But in addition to that, we offer a number of services. So we've got this Microsoft 365 Copilot license where you can activate some of these features in some of those Microsoft suite of tools. And working with our research IT organization, of which I'm a part, we have access to creating infrastructure for some of your research efforts in Azure AI Foundry. And I've put $signs on here because some of these are free and some of these are not. And then finally, AI literacy is something that we're really keen on. So we recognize and appreciate that people have varying levels of comfortability, skills when it comes to AI adoption. And so we really want to make sure that we're tailoring solutions for that. So to access these resources, go to that website, jhu.edu/GenAI, and you can access all of these things, including HopGPT. So some of the features that you may or may not be aware of, HopGPT gives you access to multiple large language models, or LLMs, from vendors including OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta, with ambition for us to include more. What's really novel about HopGPT is it's safe for PHI and PII. So we intentionally designed this from the ground up to be HIPAA compliant. Now, you're responsible for making sure that you're doing everything that you should be doing from a compliance perspective, making sure that you're using only minimal information, but you can enter PHI into HopGPT. Okay? Again, no additional cost, and it's really great at uploading data. So if you have, desire to chat with some of your documents, or you want to restructure, say, a CSV into JSON format for your additional analysis, you have that ability in HopGPT. And this is what it looks like. So lab.ai.jh.edu is how you get to it. Log in with your Jet ID. And word of caution, if the thing is not asking for your Jet ID to log in, it's probably not safe for PHI. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, super. Thank you so much.